What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll be showing you how to draw Brock Lesnar from the WWE. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of a page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left from the very top, come all the way around towards the bottom of our circle, and then back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So I'll start by lining up the top. I want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up. Now I want to add the pupils in the center of each eye, so I'm going to draw a smaller circle, and then fill that in black, and then do the exact same thing on the right side. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting from the inside of the left eye, I want to curl this in, and then up. Go to the right side, do the same thing. Now from the top of the eye, I'm just going to curl this across, and then out. Let's move in between the eyes and draw the bottom edge of the nose. Starting from the left, curl this down, bend that up. And I want to step up and draw a short curve in the opposite direction across the bridge of the nose. Now let's move down and draw the mouth. I'm going to curl this across and then down. Add a bracket around the corners of the mouth. Now in the center, just underneath, draw a straight line going across the lower lip. Now with the face complete, let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From the outside of the left eye, we're going to step over, curl this down, come in just underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up towards the same height. Now I want to draw the edge of the mustache and beard. Starting from the left side of the nose, curl this around the mouth, come down along the side, and the same thing on the right. And then from here, I'm going to bend this out and then up. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top half of the head. So we're going to go up, round this out, go across the middle, round this out, and come down on the right side. Let's add in the hair. We're going to start right in the middle of the forehead. Start with a point. Let's curve this up and then out towards the left. Go back to the center, curve this up and then out towards the right. Now I want to add some hair texture inside. So start from that center point, then it's out and then up toward the left. Go back to the center, go up toward the top, go down, step over, and draw one more. Now I want to draw the edge of the hairline. Starting from the side of the head, go up, bend that in around the brow. Then from here, bend this up and then in underneath. Let's add the ponytail across the top. Starting on left, then it's up, across, and then down. We're going to leave a gap, step up, then it's out and up, curl this down, and then back in. Let's go back to the side of the head and draw in the ears. Starting on the left, we're going to go up, come around, and then in. Let's add a fold across the top of the ear, then it's up and then out. Go back to the inside and add a hook. Now we're going to add the hair in behind after we've drawn in the body. So let's start on the left side, just underneath the head. We're going to curve the body coming down and then in towards the hip. Go over towards the right. Do the same thing, coming down towards the same height. Let's close off the bottom, connecting the hips with a curve. Let's add that sword tattoo in the center of the body. So we're going to start right in the middle, start with a straight line going across on the ends, curl this down and out. Now I want to add a point, taping this back in towards the handle and then flatten this off. Now I want to simplify the handle. On the left side, curl this down and in, do the same thing on the right, and then inside we're going to add two lines going across. Let's go back up to the top in the center, go straight up just underneath the chin, angle this down and out, and then come straight down towards the hilt. Now one last thing we're going to do is add a curve from left to right, going across and then down across the edge of the chest. Let's go back to the center. Step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend the leg going out and down towards the left heel. Move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. And then we want to curve the bottom of the feet. We'll start with the left side, coming down and then up. From the outside, curve the foot going up, and we'll bend this down, aiming towards the heel, leaving a gap along the inside. And then we're going to go back up to the hips, draw the outside leg. We're going to bend this out, and then down on top of the feet. Now from this curve, we want to step down, curve the shorts, coming down, and then up on both sides. From the top of the foot, step up, add one more across the top of the boot. We're also going to add a thick sole across the bottom. So we want to take this curve, step up, and trace it across from toe to heel, and then on the right side, from heel to toe. Now we're going to go all the way back up to the top and draw on the arms. Let's start halfway between the chin and the hip. We're going to start right here, bend the arm going out, and then down towards the wrist. Let's line it up on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now from the wrist, we're going to draw a half circle, coming in and then out for the thumb. Connect the thumb to the wrist, going up and then in. Let's add 3 fingers on either side. Starting from the bottom of the thumb, we're going to come down, bend that up. Let's step down, we're going to add the second finger, coming down and then up. Now the third finger, we want to blend this all the way up across the arm and just underneath the ear. So we go out, then it's around, and then tuck that in. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. Starting from the bottom of the thumb with the first finger. Let's layer in the second finger. And then again, the third finger, we're going to blend into the arm, pull this up and then in just underneath the ear. Let's separate the top of each finger with a curve across the glove and then pull this in towards the thumb. From the top of the thumb, we're going to step up at the edge of the glove, bend this up and then out. Now the last thing we're going to do is layer the hair in behind the arms. So we're going to start underneath the ear, then it's out and then down. Add a curl, going out and up. Bend that back in towards the arm. Now I want to take that and flip it over on the right. And then we'll sign out art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how to draw Brock Lesnar from the WWE. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you would like your artwork to be featured in the Artist Spotlight, come join our sketch club or the cartooning club on Skool. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you in the next one. If you enjoyed today's lesson, then you're really going to love what's happening inside the Sketch Club on Skool. And right now you can access all our courses and workshops for free for 7 full days just by visiting. I'll leave the link for you down in the description below, and I look forward to seeing you inside the club.